Back to school season is here, and we know how hectic mornings can be. But don't worry, we've got you covered with 10 quick and healthy lunch ideas that will keep your kids energized and ready to take on the school day.
Lunch idea 1: turkey and cheese wrap. Kick things off with a simple turkey and cheese wrap. It's quick to prepare, packed with protein, and easy to customize with your child's favorite veggies.
Lunch idea 2: quinoa salad. Next up, a nutritious quinoa salad. Add some cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a sprinkle of feta cheese for a delicious, healthy lunch that's ready in minutes.
Lunch idea 3: chicken noodle soup. Warm up those chilly school days with chicken noodle soup. Just heat it up in the morning and pack it in a thermos. It'll stay warm until lunchtime.
Lunch idea 4: hummus and veggie pita. Try a hummus and veggie pita for a fun, crunchy lunch. It's packed with fiber and healthy fats to keep those little brains buzzing all day long.
Lunch idea 5: pasta salad. Pasta salad is always a winner. Mix up some whole grain pasta with cherry tomatoes, olives, and mozzarella balls for a filling and tasty option.
Lunch idea 6: peanut butter and banana sandwich. Peanut butter and banana sandwiches are a classic. Use whole grain bread and add a side of apple slices for an extra boost of fiber and vitamins.
Lunch idea 7: yogurt parfait. How about a yogurt parfait? Layer some yogurt, granola, and fresh berries for a lunch that's both refreshing and nutritious.
Lunch idea 8: hard-boiled egg and veggies. Hard-boiled eggs are protein powerhouses. Pair them with baby spinach and cherry tomatoes for a quick, balanced meal.
Lunch idea 9: avocado and turkey sandwich. Try an avocado and turkey sandwich for a creamy, savory treat. It's packed with healthy fats and lean protein to keep your kids going strong.
Lunch idea 10: cheese and crackers. Last but not least, keep it simple with cheese and crackers. Pair with some apple wedges for a satisfying and balanced lunch. With these quick and healthy lunch ideas, you'll have more time to focus on what really matters, enjoying those special moments with your kids before they head off to school.
Just like you take care of your family's nutrition, it's important to protect what matters most with the right insurance. From home and auto to life and health, Klinger Insurance Group is here to help you find the perfect coverage for your needs.
Let Klinger Insurance Group help you find the best insurance options. Call us today to make sure your family is well protected, just as you ensure they're well fed. Call us at 301-428-4935 to know more, or subscribe to our channel for more tips on family life, health, and insurance.